Welcome to my channel Global Car. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're diving into the brand new Audi E5 Sportback, the groundbreaking electric fastback from Audi's China-only lineup. Let's get straight into what makes this thing special. Built on Audi's new advanced digitized platform, the E5 Sportback offers cutting-edge tech and performance. It comes in 4 electric variants, ranging from around 295 bhp up to a staggering 776 bhp, with both rear-wheel and all-wheel drive options. At the top end it rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just around 3.4 seconds. Range-wise, it's impressive 2A depending on spec. You're looking at up to around 770 km under the CLTC cycle. Inside, the cabin is ultra-modern. A full-width 27-inch pillar-to-pillar 4K display, camera side mirrors, and next-gen connected vehicle features. Design-wise, this isn't your typical Audi style. It debuts under the Audi brand, all caps, and interestingly there is no 4-ring badge. The exterior is sleek and minimalist, fastback silhouette, rounded wheel arches, black loop lighting elements, hidden door handles at all nodding to futuristic while still elegant. Now, this one's built for China, but it shows where electric performance and luxury are headed globally. If you're into EVs that combine tech, design and performance, Audi E5 Sportback is a statement. Thanks for watching. If you're excited for more deep dives into cutting-edge EVs, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Drop a comment. Would you drive this beast? And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. That's it for today. Catch you in the next video. And until then, a broken bar, drive safe and stay charged.